Todd Services is located in Hamburg, Michigan, which is just north of Ann Arbor. We are a large design, build, landscape construction company, meaning we do everything from design to install to maintenance afterwards. We do a little bit of everything that's involved in the landscape industry. We keep boulder for when we're doing boulder walls. We haul a lot of debris, soil from dig out for patios and walls. Up on the hill there, we keep a lot of our brick paver patio brick material. That way we don't have to have it shipped from other places. We can keep it in stock here. The SharkBite Grapple would be useful for any sort of a contractor who has to move brushy material, logs, any sort of big stone, boulder, ledge rock, anything like that. You could pick up more, move faster, and just be more efficient in the movement of any of those sorts of products. It's really nice to be able to come in one scoop, pick up a large load, and know that when you clamp down with it, it's not going to go anywhere. You can pick it up, you can raise it up to the top of a dump truck if you need to, and you can move from side to side without having limbs falling off and shuffling from side to side. It's also nice because a lot of times when we're pulling debris from sites, brushy material gets mixed in with soil, and we dispose of them in different places. But with the SharkBite Grapple, you can actually go in, grab the brushy material and give it a little shake, and the soil falls out, so you're not mixing the materials together. Another nice feature about the SharkBite Grapple is that when you're raising and lowering it, it'll actually go up all the way parallel to the forks. You can lift it up a full 90 degrees, which allows you to come in and scoop a large load, whether it's a large rock, a large log, or just a large pile of debris. The 90-degree range of motion allows you that to be all the way up and then close on top of it to where you're not going to lose that load. I do think that if a contractor had a SharkBite Grapple, they could potentially do with less attachments on a job site. You could also use less machines. You know, on our job sites, we typically have a mini excavator and a skid steer with forks on it to help move material around. But we could potentially lose a mini excavator from our site, which means less trucking and less wear and tear on different machines if we had a skid steer with a SharkBite Grapple attached to it. Everybody should own a SharkBite Grapple. It'll make your life much easier.
Visit PaladinAttachments.com. Paladin, work with the best.